Hello everyone, I am the presenter of ReCluse system, and I'm going to show you the whole procedure of our system. First, let's focus on the topic model section. After clicking the topic model button at the entrance page, you will need to select an application. We choose today's headline as an example. Then we click on the next button and we will see the graph of the topic distribution and the word list for each topic. On the left side is the topic distribution graph with time information on x-axis and number of reports on each topic on y-axis. And the right side is the keywords in each topic. According to the keywords, Topic 1 represents layout effects, Topic 2 is related with other defects, and Topic 3 shows closer connection with functional defects. The gray block on the graph presents the number of reports on different topics submitted on the 7th of November in 2016. And we know that among all the submitted reports on that day, 3 reports were related to layout problems, 2 reports were related to other defects, and 6 reports were related with functional defects. Now we click on the suspicion degree button, and we can see the suspicion degree prediction of each report. This page shows the list of bug reports that have been calculated and sorted by PageRank algorithm. Rank in the first column represents the suspicion degree of the report. The higher the degree is, the higher the rank will be. Also, we divide the reports into 5 severity levels, including fatal, critical, major, minor, and enhancemental. We can click the header to sort the bug reports in ascending and descending order. We can also search for information. Moreover, to see the details of each bug in the suspicion degree prediction list, we can click on the item and turn to recommendation page. This page not only shows further details of the bug, but also recommends both similar and diversified bug reports relevant to the current one. We present details about the current report on the left and recommended reports on the right. The recommended reports are divided into 2 blocks, with similar bug reports on the top and diversified reports on the bottom. Especially, every recommended report is attached by a severity level, so that we can first inspect reports with higher priority. Now we come back to the home page and click on the semi-supervised clustering button. We choose the application Tuniu and use a semi-supervised clustering approach to quickly browse the content of those large amount of bug reports. We use 7 clustering categories, including user experience, security, abnormal exit, page layout effect, performance defects, function imperfection, and others. The number of reports in each cluster is shown in the top row, and the clustering details can be seen in the graph at the bottom. Each cluster contains a set of bug reports and extracts a joint cluster description, which delegates the content of those bug reports, such like cannot search for hotel. Meanwhile, we adjust the color and block size according to the report number. The darker color a block is in, the larger number of reports are in this cluster. Now we click the block to view the reports in the cannot search for hotel cluster. The bug reports are ranked in the same way as in topic model section. Especially, we marked the reports with different colors. Top 10 are red because they contain more vital information. 11 to 25 are subordinate reports, so we mark them yellow. And we do not mark the rest because they are less important. By marking them differently, we try to accelerate the bug report inspection speed. Moreover, to see the details of each bug in the suspicion degree prediction list, we can click on the item and return to the recommendation page. And we can review the reports recommended by clicking on similar or diverse reports, shown on the right. The last function we want to show is the menu text classification section. It is used for a case study in the paper. When entering the labels, we need to separate the labels with comma. We can choose one application and generate our own labels. Then we can review and label the bug reports on the left and tag the words from the bug corpus on the right. What is more, we can rename the labels. For example, function imperfection, abnormal exit, and layout effect. Then we can submit the labeled reports and words, and the system will present with new reports and unlabeled words until each of them has a label. Now we can click on the prediction button to see the result of our labeling and the predicted labels for uninspected reports. By using this function, we observed traditional bug report, reviewing behavior, and collected the standard data we used in the case study. That's the whole screencast of ReCluse system. Thank you for watching our demonstration.